up, guys? This episode we're going to be talking about integration tests and how to use them to test your Rails application from your routes to your controllers and the models and views and responses that those create. So an integration test, which you probably have heard of called a controller test as well in the past, is one where we are building something to hit the Rails route like /projects, just like you would in your browser, and to make sure that everything that we send over provides the correct response. So that could be HTML, JSON, a redirect, all kinds of different options here. So what we're going to be doing is going and building tests that kind of replicate what the browser is doing, just checking for the expected response. And in the last episode, we talked about testing with Devise and adding your sign in and sign out methods to your tests. We added those to a couple really basic integration tests. And our integration tests were very straightforward. We check if the user is redirected or not when they visit the project's URL. And so we added our before action authenticate user and make sure that when you visit the /projects, and that user is not signed in, you get redirected to the login page. Now, we are checking to see if you were redirected, but one of the things that we can do in our controller test or integration test is we can say follow redirect, and this is going to take the response we just got back and actually follow the redirect. So if we got a redirect, we can go and follow that to wherever it wants to send us. And we can then